Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya. Today's lesson is titled Building a Simple Agent with LangChain, combining LLMs and external tools. Imagine LLMs as super smart parrots that can generate text. They're great at writing, translating, and summarizing, but they don't know anything about the real world. Agents are like assistants who can use LLMs and access external resources, like the internet or a calculator, to get things done. Think of it like giving your parrot access to a library and a search engine. LangChain is a toolbox that makes building these agents easy. It's like a set of pre-built Lego blocks for connecting LLMs to other tools. We'll use it to give our agent superpowers. Let's build a simple tool, a calculator. This will be a Python function that takes numbers as input and returns the result of a calculation. This is the external resource our agent will use, providing it with access to mathematical computation beyond its language model abilities. Now, we'll use LangChain to connect our LLM. Think of it as the brawn to our calculator. Think of it as the hands. We'll tell LangChain to use the calculator whenever our LLM needs to perform a calculation. This is where the magic of LangChain happens. The prompt is the instruction we give the agent. It's like giving your assistant a to-do list. We'll write a prompt that tells the agent when and how to use the calculator to solve problems. Let's run our agent. We'll give it a problem that requires a calculation. We'll watch as the agent uses the LLM to understand the problem and then calls the calculator to solve it. This shows the power of combining LLMs with external tools. Once you understand this basic structure, you can add more tools to your agent, like a web search tool, a database, or even an email client. The possibilities are endless. This was a simple agent. However, with LangChain, you can build agents capable of much more complex tasks. We explored the fundamental steps. Building simple agents is the foundation for constructing more advanced AI systems. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.